Welcome to Sourcier's drop shopping platform. First, you need to register an account. We open the browser and enter the URL www.chdropshipping.com. Then you will come to the login screen, and if you're using it for the first time, you will need to register an account. Our platform supports for languages. You can choose a language you like. Our platform supports mobile phone number registration or email registration. If you choose to register with your mobile number, then we click Register here and enter your username. Select the area code of your country. Then enter your phone number and click to get the verification code. Then your phone will receive a text message to fill in the verification code and set up a password for your account. If your phone does not receive the verification code, it means that your phone may not receive it in the country. You have the option to sign up using email, so let's click Email to sign in, and then click Sign Up. Also enter your username, enter your email address, then you click Get the CAPTCHA, and you'll get an email in your inbox that contains the CAPTCHA, and you put it in. Then set the password and click Sign Up so that you have completed the account registration.